Hello all. This tutorial will demonstrate how to add and edit wall properties, wall opening, and wall sweep. First, wall opening or wall elevation modification. Step 1. On a plan view, click the wall that you want to make wall opening. Step 2. Click Edit Profile. Step 3. Go to View window will open. Step 4. Select an appropriate view to open. I prefer the ISO view to change the elements quickly. Step 5. Draw the opening with dimension. Step 6. Click the green checkmark to finish. Step 7. Double check in 3D view. Second, wall sweep is a very useful tool to create moldings. Step 1. To create a continuous molding. First, you need to load a profile by clicking Load Family from the Insert tab. Step 2. Find Profile from Revit Library and open it to the file. Step 3. Click the small arrow under the Wall on Architecture tab. Step 4. Select Wall, Sweep on 3D view. Recommend a camera view or a 3D view with a section box. Step 5. Click Edit Type, duplicate the type. Do not forget to add 000 for your type. Step 6. Click Profile under Construction, select the profile you just loaded. Step 7. See the preview and click the appropriate location on the wall for the molding on the 3D view. Step 8. To finish the sweep, press the ESC key on keyboard. I hope this tutorial clarifies how to add and edit wall properties, wall opening, and wall sweep. Thank you.